The Prestige P500RSIB grill lives up to its name with a myriad of exclusive features, setting it apart from the competition. From top to bottom, this model is crafted with the utmost detail and care in mind. The space-saving Lift-Ease roll-top lid retains heat for convection-style cooking, and the exclusive Jetfire ignition ensures a quick and easy startup every time. Features such as the heavy-duty rotisserie kit, a rear infrared burner, and stainless steel wave cooking grids contribute to the creation of restaurant-quality food in your own backyard. You can now produce that mouth-watering meat with all of the moisture and flavor that you crave from a high-end steakhouse. No reservation required, using the infrared sizzle zone side burner. The Prestige 500RSIB not only creates amazing meals, it contributes to the party atmosphere. Stainless steel side shelves that easily fold down for storage offer versatility and feature integrated tool hooks and towel holders. Add to your gourmet grilling experience with optional accessories, including the Napoleon exclusive charcoal tray, professional poultry shears, stainless steel marinade injectors, and more. You can rest easily knowing that no matter how much entertainment your grill provides, the premium stainless steel construction, including the long-lasting heavy-gauge tube burners and sear plates, will allow you to grill for years to come. Our President's Limited Lifetime Warranty guarantees it.